Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner we are going to do 2-ingredient cobbler. So it's really simple. The first thing you do is get a can of your favorite pie filling. So in this case I use cherry. And if you wanted to make a bigger one, just use more pie filling and you can make it bigger. Alright, so I scraped out the can and I'm always trying to get every last drop. Alright, and you want to smooth it out, make it nice and even. Just like that. Now, the next ingredient, the second and the final ingredient, pre-made pie crust. So you do want to make sure that it is thawed. You know, mine was still a little cold, so you're going to see here in just a second I had a little bit of trouble unrolling it, but just gently work with it and it'll come apart for you. Alright, so once it's unrolled, you can do one of two things. You can either trim the excess off and use it for something else, or like I'm doing, I just fold it over. It just makes a little bit thicker crust. Because you know, some people like a little more crust, some people don't. So, you know, it's up to you. So I just took it and I made 4 folds and put them under. And then I decided to make it look a little bit fancy. And I just kind of took a small biscuit cutter and just put a few markings into it. And then you want to bake it for 40 minutes in a preheated 40-degree oven. Or 40 degrees, no, 400-degree oven. Alright. So, here we go. Make sure it looks kind of clean. And then there's your finished product. Nice pie with a crispy crust, or not pie, but cobbler. And you can serve it with a little ice cream or whipped cream. It's up to you. So thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos. And I will see you next time. Alright, so yeah, this pie is a cheat, but you know what? Even the chef cheats sometimes. Alright, you guys take care out there.